Please take the bag to the car.
Okay.
Ndudi.
Huh?
Thank you very much for yesterday. Appreciate it.
It's okay. Don't mention. You're welcome. I'll be in the car.
Hello there.
Emilia? Yeah? What is it? Now, I want to ask you this question just one time. And I need you to give me a reasonable answer. Where is the 300,000 that my brother gave to us? Yeah. Hey, what kind of question is this one? The money is with me. It's in good hand. You know, I don't have to bother. It's safe. Don't worry. Huh? Why are you this stupid? It is safe. But the question is, where is it? Safe where? Papa said that the money is safe. Eh? Am I under interrogation? If I'm under interrogation, let me know so that I can call my lawyer to come. When did you start being policeman? If you're a policeman, let me know. Now I'm in police station under a tree. I can call my lawyer to come. What is this? The money is my own. I kept it safe. When I was telling people now, say let's go to Igwe's palace. Let's march there. Solidarity forever. So that we can fight for our rights. You people did not listen to me. Now Igwe has given me money. You want to know what is happening with the money and where the money is. Papa, please leave me. The money is safe. But I'm not a child. I know how to keep 300,000 naira safe. It's safe. Don't bother yourself. Emily, you see that money? Eh? You are going to bring it here and now. That money was given to us. Hmm? Oh, you think I don't know? You think I don't know what you are doing with that useless girl? Eh? You take our money, you move the girl from one place to another, one bar to another, one hotel to another, squandering all your money on her. And you want to squander our own or her also. It will not work. Go and bring that money now. Papa, I like, in fact, I like your details. Yes, I like your details. You say, my money, the girlfriend, my own, the drink, my own, the money, my own, the amount I used to drink it, my own. So why are you bothered? This money was given to me. It's my own personal money. It's not for you people. Huh? Papa, please, allow me to enjoy my money in peace. I'm keeping the money for something meaningful. Not to come and share with you people. If anybody needs money, go to Igwe. Go there. When I was in the gate, Igwe's gate, banging the gate, they refused to open. I wanted to jump inside. You see that money? You are going to bring it here and now. Go and bring that money. Papa, don't do this, you know. Don't do this, you know. People will be passing now, they say, what is causing problem between the father and son? They say it was the money that Igwe gave the son. The son not gave to us. Papa, which us? Which us? Is it not my brother? Is it your brother? Go to your brother, meet him, let him give you your own money. I've gone to my uncle, or you go to your own uncle. Bring the money, uncle, to let him give you money. Bring the money, to take money. Okay. People should leave me, you bring the money today. Papa, don't do this, you know. They will see us dragging. What is the problem? Papa, you will explain, no? You are an elder. Let's go and collect the money. Papa, how much do you want? Sit down, let me go and get it. Let me be, go and bring the 100,000. Sit down, let me go and get it. I'm not sitting down. Bring the full money, please.
Why didn't you go with her? I wanted to take good care of the princess.
My king, she insisted I stay with you since you're not feeling too well.
Oh, come off it. I'm fine. Her security is paramount to me.
Okay, but she's fine, Your Highness. If you don't mind, can I take you to the hospital to see your doctor?
No. My appointment with my doctor is tomorrow. Get me something to drink.
This is the king's juice?
Yes.
Okay, ask him to bring it. Your Majesty, you look tired. Can I take you to your room?
No. Go to your house. When I need you, I'll call you.
Papa, he bewitched her. Now she cannot do anything without him. That could have been me going out with the princess. Yeah? We're supposed to be planning our future together. Now, Ndude has ruined everything. Ndude has ruined everything for me.
Oh, Mama Dixon. My brother Emenike and his son has betrayed us. We shouldn't have trusted them in the first place. We gave them ourselves and if you that opportunity and struck. Today, look at it.
Papa.
Are we not as helpless itself?
Papa, I am going to kill Ndude. I am going to squeeze life out of him. I am going to smash his head. Papa, my peri obalangata. Papa, what I will do today, you will regret his life.
I will support you to the last level.
Papa, ma wunye milina njinu Ndude. Ma wanya milina nte.
Dixon.
Papa, mwuli kukutinyo mfuye kukuli.
I said I will take it up from here. Leave everything for me to do. I will take it up here. I will show Emenike, my brother, that he cannot possibly be within me. And be planning to kill me. Eh? Do you understand what I'm saying?
Oh.
Since ever we were children, Emenike has been stepping on my toes. But this time around, I will not give him.
Enough is enough.
Enough is enough.
Papa, enough is enough.
I will kill them myself. I will spare you.
How cannot today be toiling with slide?
Forget about them. If they go fight for me, I will fight the fight myself. I don't need any help. I don't even want to waste your strength, even one bit. Grapple the fight for me to do. Don't you trust me? Man? I said leave the fight. I will fight the fight myself. Dixon, where are you going? I said leave the fight for me. I will do the fighting while you do the relaxing. Dixon, did you hear me at all? I said come and relax, let me do the fighting. Dixon, you don't know the tactics at all, how to fight. There is difference between village fight and the city fight. Leave the fight for me. I will do, your father. I will do the fighting while you do the relaxing. That's what I said. Okay, go back and back.
Who do they think they are? My son will not be enslaved to them forever. They should allow the princess to choose whomsoever she wants to be with.
I've known Dixon to be as troublesome as his father Ubaka. Ubaka from our childhood has been a troublemaker. I told him to his face that any day he will invite me to his house to vomit such thing, I will give him the insult of his life.
I don't know why they did. As in, it's crazy. It's crazy. Mama.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm just tired.
It's better you go inside and rest.
How dare you? How dare you stab me at my back? How dare you? Okiseme?
Dixon, I did not do anything to you. I did not stab
You did not do anything to me.
Yes.
Yeah? You did not. Yeah? One on this boy. Because I'm going to deal with him. By the time I finish with you, you will regret ever being born in this life. Okay? Oh, you were going to go to stab me at my back.
Dixon,
You cannot come on, Dixon, you cannot do anything. Look at this fool. Is it because I've been keeping quiet? Is it because I've been keeping quiet? Wait, because what I'm saying. No, look at this. Look at this. Allow him to go. Look at this fool.
Let him go. Let him carry his trouble and go.
Can you get? No, my son, what kind of Mama Chelo go to Chego?
I will show you that Nibu Jokpara, Manibu Jokpara Okoko. That's who you are. Yes, you are Nibu Jokpara Okoko.
But I have to warn you. Go and tell your son, Dixon, to stay away from my son. Let him leave my son alone. If anything happens to my son, I will hold him responsible.
Tell your son Ndudi to leave my son's wife alone. Yarapia. Okay.
Which wife? Bia, welcome. You and Dixon should stop fooling yourselves. Was it how you married your wife, Waka? But I know, man. Was it how you married her?
You are you calm down? Are you not the two of you should calm down?
We can settle this amicably. This is not a big deal.
It is a big deal. Didn't you hear when he mentioned my wife? When did my wife become an issue here? Oh, look at. By now you would have been very down 6 feet inside the grave. All the widows in this village, their husbands have been crying right in their graves. They have been telling me to warn you to leave their wives alone. They would have struck you dead by now, if not that I have been interceding for you. You think I don't know all this? Recently, I caught you. Somebody told me that you've been spending recklessly on Ifebuche. Your wife is not aware of that. And I will tell your wife, stop insulting my family. You are a merchant of widows.
Oh no. Oh no.
That's who you are.
Did you hear this small boy? Did you hear this small boy insulting me? Did you hear him? This boy, I paid the bride price. I paid the bride price of his wife. I paid the bride price of his wife. Waka, mono neru why ina no waka, mono neru why.
A bloody fool.
Hey.
Sorry, no. Sorry, Tolo.
Oh no, is it this small boy in the why?
Hey, my friend, wait. I wonder how two old men will be running their mouths as if you are suffering from diarrhea of the tongue. What's the matter with two of you? In fact, this meeting should end here. This meeting until later. Go and settle your issues and come back later. Please.
I agree with you. Oh no.
Let's end it. Let's end it here.
You are not talking anything about you sleeping with widows in this village. Go and sort yourself now. You are not saying anything about that.
What do he want him to talk?
I'm
small boy that I married for you. Foolish old man. I paid the bride price of your wife. Foolish old man.
Merchant of widows.
Never complained of any sickness before I left him. He was strong.
Just try to be strong for me, okay? Stop crying. See, if you suspect anyone about this, maybe we can get a detective to investigate it, okay? But I want you to be strong for me.
I sị na nwata mara eboso amaria. The princess is very ready to assume the throne. She has been consecrated for this purpose. Yes.
Well spoken, Obaka.
No. The princess is not ready yet. She still has a lot to learn. This princess should be given time to get used to our tradition and culture before being crowned. Why are we rushing these things?
I am asking you, why are we here? It is our duty to guide the princess, and not for you to stand against it and start contesting. There is no need for that.
Obaka is right. We can't leave the throne vacant. That's why the late king prepared her for this task.
I am surprised that this is coming from the mouth of elders, the so-called elders. Eh? The princess is simply not ready. Eh? She needs time to be groomed to the position she's going to assume. Period.
Hey, Menike, if you don't know anything else to say, shut up. Yes, I said shut up. Do you think everyone seated here is like you that cannot define your left from right? Oh, you think everybody's a dullard? Please, next time don't come here in the council with your foolishness. Better keep it down there in your record house. Are you hearing me? If not because you are my elder brother, I know what to do. We are discussing a matter that is bringing an uprising in the society and in the community at large. And you are here telling us that the princess that has been consecrated for this throne even before her father was alive, is not ready. Are you sick in the head? I am asking.
Obaka.
Are you sick in the head?
Oh, you come here to insult me? Oh, Obaka, you come here to insult me?
It's obvious. Oh, if I insult you, what will you do? Oh, you will possibly fight. Or will you steal from me like your son Ndudi did to my son? Eh?
That I'm stealing from you?
Yes!
You are calling me a thief! More! You are calling me a thief! You are calling me a thief! I am not You are calling me a thief! Stop! Stop this! No, you know what he said? That I'm a thief! A tattooed man! Hey! If not that you are my brother, hey! What will you do? Oh no, he's standing. I'm part of that. Oh no, what is wrong with you? Oh no. Go and sit down. Oh no. Mano, hey! This. Hey! Listen to me, both of you. Goodbye. And listen to you. Hey! We're here discussing on how to move this community forward. And you bring your stupid and idiotic family issues here. Excuse me, I'm still standing. Listen, if this persists, both of you will not only be fined, but banned from attending these council meetings. I assure you of that. I have spoken.
It's all right.
Let this be the last time I will take this from you. Let this just stop. No!
Oh no, if not because
I said stop.
He stood from his seat. He came here to fight. He would have challenged me for a fight. If not because you are here.
Stop.
It's alright. Hi. Why now? Why now? Eh? Why should he go to die now that he has promised to give me money to be useful? So I'm going to be useless. Huh?
Papa, now that the Igwe is dead, is there any chance of you replacing him?
Well, we the elders are still deliberating on it. It is quite obvious that she's not ready to rule now. I mean the princess. So, if everything goes well, I'm likely to assume the throne, pending when she's ready. Wait, Papa, did I hear well? It is true. Hey! Hey, Mary, where was your head? Why didn't I think of this thing? Eh? Papa, listen. You see this time? We are not going to miss you. No mistake this time. Shoot your shot. Your final shot. Choose any angle and shoot it. I'm behind you. If you cannot shoot it, give me, let me shoot. You see this time? We are not going to make mistake. Oppress them, depress them, press the elders. Let them change their mind and support you. Last, one bag of onions. You give them for them to share. We are becoming king now.
But what is your problem? Someone just lost his life and all your concern is in position. What is it now? Calm down,
No, you go die. All of us should die too. Or our dream should die. My dream of marrying Ada should die. Never! If you want us to line up and follow Igwe to the grave, or you come and be in the front. After him, you follow up. Then, Papa, I'm coming last.
If anybody will die, brother, it's you. You are the first son. You will die first.
You will not die. Yes. Then all of you should support me. Papa, you see this time? I'm shouting it though. I'm shouting it now. Everybody will not join me. The last time, I was shouting and I was giving 300,000. All of you want to tackle me. Want to kill me on top. Now I'm shouting my last shouting, you know, because anything that come out now, if I become the king, I become the king alone. If people will not join me now, so better join me now. Solidarity. Let's fight for our rights. You will not do anything. Are you mad? Are you mad? Idiot! What does it kill you?
Brother?
You get away! What does it kill you? What does it kill you? Yeah!
What you see what brother is doing now?
Get away, you! Princess!
No prince for you.
Papa, here, family. Let's discuss. Sit down, Rico. Let's discuss how we are going to make this thing work. Papa, come get me. Papa, change this card. Papa, you are going out. Papa, you are leaving me. With the same walking stick I've been using since I was born. Ha! This my father doesn't have shit. Igwe, you will die again. Anywhere you are now, die too. That second time. Princess, I will kidnap you. I know what to do. All of you should leave it for me. I'll be the king alone.
I did not do it. I did not kill the king. I can't possibly kill the king. Why?
Hey, shut up, my friend.
He was good to me. I did not do it.
Shut up. Just shut up. Who did it then? Bury me. Onyori. You are the only one with him when he died.
Dixon, you know me too well that I can't kill.
Dixon, who?
Then who did? Criminal. Who did? Where would you?
You were the last person with him before he died. Quick, talk to you. Say the truth.
I didn't kill the king. I did it, my princess.
Silly.
Dodi, after everything I did for you, how much I trusted you, and you killed my father.
My princess, I did it. I swear with everything in me. I did it. I only served him juice.
Oh, only juice on who?
I didn't do it.
Why didn't you go with her? I wanted to take good care of the princess.
My king, she insisted I stay with you since you're not feeling too well.
Oh, come off it. I'm fine. Her security is paramount to me.
okay, but she's fine, Your Highness. If you don't mind, can I take you to the hospital to see your doctor?
No. My appointment with my doctor is tomorrow. Get me something to drink.
This is the king's juice? Yes. Okay, ask him to bring it. Your Majesty, you look tired. Can I take you to your room?
No. Go to your house. When I need you, I'll call you.
That was it. Dixon, you of all people should know that your brother cannot kill.
I did not know anything. I'm not anything. Who did? You're the only one who has selfish interest. Seeking to reap from where he did not sow. Argument. How is because of people know.
Oh my
God. You planned it and you did it.
Please help me come to her, please. I did not do it. I did not
grab this idiot to my car.
Please, Rita.
When you get to the police station, explain.
Rita, please. Rita.
Grab it to the car.
Rita, please. Oh my God. Rita, please. Rita, please. Rita, please. Just let me talk to her. I did not kill the king. I did not kill the king. Hey, I did not do it. Oh my God. I did not do it.
Hey, stay with him there. Stay with him there. Hold him down. He's a criminal, a murderer. Thief, Uluri.
Dixon Enterprises away. Dixon no get money, but better thing they Hungarian. Dixon no get motor, but motor they Hungarian. I no waiting Dixon they do.
What? You know he's innocent. You should put that to the police. Oh my God. Are you going to stand by and watch an innocent poor man pay for a sin he did not commit while the real criminal walk free? He's a suspect. Let the police do their job. I'm confused. I don't even know what to think anymore. I don't know who to trust anymore. I just hope he won't end up regretting this. Because that boy is innocent. Chibogo, don't be blinded.
But I told him, it's just a matter of time. Kama will catch up with him. I told him, this is just the beginning of it. This is just the beginning. And I will make sure he will not come out of this anytime soon.
Good.
Nonsense.
Dixon, you are my son. Hmm? I want you to also think along one angle. Hmm? In as much as you want Ndodi to suffer very well for what he did to you, I want you to also use the opportunity to win the princess over to yourself. Be her companion, and a shoulder to lean on. Get close to her. Interface, interpose, fill the gap, crisscross and crossover. That is the way to do it. It is called strategy.
I never thought about all this. I think you're right.
Oh, because your heart is already filled with anger and rage. This is what we call strategizing. When you strategize, you strike. To what do you think I was called Obaka, the top gun, way back when I was little child? Obaka, the top gun. I never miss my target. Boom! I strike. Opportunity for you for the princess to be together. Pitchy come, and then I will start enjoying myself. I'll be an in-law to the royal family. We put anger and rage and plan, strategize. We call it strategizing.
Before you dance, make sure your shoes are strong enough. Cause the fight of destiny is not an easy battle. Destiny can only be delayed, and destiny can never be changed. No matter the fight, no matter the challenges, it will be what will be. No matter the circumstances surrounding the destiny of a man, what will be. What will be. So why are you fighting your fellow man? Done nothing to you. Onye chukwu goziri na gozigone. Onye chukwu buniri no bunigone. You cannot stop a moving train. You cannot stop a river from flowing. Destiny can only be delayed, and destiny can never be changed. Before you fight, make sure you fight to the end. Before you dance, make sure your shoes are strong enough. Cause the fight of destiny is not an easy battle. Destiny can only be delayed, and destiny can never be changed. No matter the fight, no matter the challenges, it will be.
My people, it is time we prepare the princess to step into her father's shoes. We don't have to waste time.
Oh no, you have spoken well. Her father, when he was alive, has done the necessary rituals for the task ahead of her. The only thing left is that the princess is still single. Of course, every person understands the tradition of our land. A single woman cannot mount the throne. Yes.
My elders, Ubaka is right. The princess will get married before her coronation. A single woman cannot sit on the throne.
My fellow elders, why are we such in a hurry? Why are we trying to hurry the princess into marriage? Marriage is a life contract. Let's give her time. Allow her to this is natural thing. Allow her to get married. That's her own time.
I want to understand it. Are you saying that we should allow the throne to lie fallow? What happens to the throne? No, I'm asking you. Well, we should allow the throne to lie fallow, waiting until the princess is with her husband. No, I don't understand. You clear us.
It's not what I'm saying, my brother. What I'm really saying is that Igwe has a brother. Let us allow him to assume the throne. Pending the time, the princess will be ready. Eh? No, are we saying this? Look, the princess is not yet ready. What if she has not found the man of her heart? I told you, I know your net.
Stop that! No, did she tell you that she has not gotten a husband for herself? Emenike, I have always warned you, or rather, this is a piece of advice. Don't leave your sense at home. Always bring it to the council. The whole world is aware of the beauty of our princess. She's not looking for a husband. Neither is she publicizing for a husband. Everyone that passes her will be attracted to her. Besides, if she's looking for a husband, I will back her. I will provide one for her. It is my duty to provide one for her. Her husband is standing very close to her. She's not looking for a husband. For your information. Because I know what your targets are. But it will not work for you. That is why I advise you, come with your brain. Oh, no. Don't leave it at home.
It's okay.
Stop blowing for fire. Shadow. You are just mere shadow. I know you. Oh
no. She's coming.
Okay. Oh. Good day, my princess.
Good day, Inspector.
Thank you.
Any update?
Yes. After thorough investigation, we think there may be another suspect.
Who?
Sorry, princess. I can't disclose that for now due to security reasons.
Good day, my princess. My princess, please. My son is innocent. My son did not do it. He did not do what he is being accused of. I can swear with my life.
Just get up. Go home. I'll send words across. Get up. Please just go home. I'll send words across to you. Excuse us. So, Inspector, what are you saying?
We're doing our work. That's why I'm here.
That is what I want to know. Who could it be? We have another suspect. The police think someone else may have also planned to kill the king.
That's nonsense. Who would ever want to kill the king, if not Ndudi?
But why? What does he stand to gain?
Obviously, he has his eyes on you. Maybe thinking if the king dies, you will marry him. Or he has something, he has some hidden agenda. Yeah. Or anything, I don't know.
You know, nothing makes sense to me anymore.
See, I do not want you to beat yourself too hard, okay? Come on. What if I take you out for lunch?
Oh.
Please, please, I do not want you to say no. I just want to give you a treat.
Dixon, you know I am mourning. I'm not in the mood to go out.
Please.
Okay.
Chinwe.
For the last time, who killed the Igwe? Speak up!
I will say the truth, I will say the truth. Oh, please don't make me such a please, I beg you, please.
I have not done this before. I am scared. Luchy, I don't think I will help you out.
No, now. Eh? Of all the favors I've been asking you, I've not asked you this kind of favor before. Eh? You know now, you know how to run things. Please just help me. This one, just this one. Biko.
I'm scared.
You're scared? Yes. Don't be scared. Hmm? Okay, wait. Let me make you a proposal. Eh? As soon as I become the king, you will be my lord. I'll make you my queen. Huh? You know now you are serving at the palace. You serve people. Now you will be served. Anytime you are passing, you pass lord normally move. You understand? You will be moving. Then everybody will bow before you. You understand? You see, this is a lifetime opportunity. Don't miss it. Huh?
Luchy, what about the princess? She has been consecrated to take over when the king dies.
Leave that one for me. I will take care of that. You understand? See, take. Listen, look. Just put small in his drink or food. Just small. You understand? And don't let anybody see you when you are putting it on. Because the way this medicine works, it will enter the body slowly. So he will just go slowly. You understand? My queen. Act like a queen now. You're already a queen now. Huh? So don't worry.
I'm scared.
My queen.
That's what happened. I'm saying the truth. Please don't put me in such a jail. Please, I beg you. Inspector, please. Please don't.
Are you sure that was what happened?
I swear with my life that's what happened. I swear. Inspector! Hey!
Move! Did I kill you? I didn't. Move! I didn't do it. I'm innocent.
Papa?
Chief, don't waste our time here, please.
I'm innocent. I didn't do it. Am I didn't kill the king. Am I lawyer?
Look at his face, wicked man.
Move!
Papa, did you do it?
Let them take you. If you want to go there, let them take all of you. So Papa is this devilish.
He did not do it.
Papa was so cold. Nah, I didn't know he planned to kill the king. He did not do it. Did you?
Papa, come and whisper to my ear.
If Papa did not do it, did you do it?
He did not kill the king.
The second born.
Call your lawyer. We win this case.
Call your lawyer. Call your own lawyer. You have lawyers. Carry on us and go and share police people. They will leave Papa. People should leave me alone.
But I cannot leave
I'm not happy.
like that. Now let's go there.
Papa
now.
killed Igwe that promised to give me money. And you expect me to be happy. If not because he is my father.
Papa, don't worry. Don't worry. We are coming.
I'll kill him too.
Papa, don't worry. We are coming. We are going to bail you out from there.
You're the
Let's
first
go.
born.
Papa, call your lawyer. Call your lawyer.
Look at him now.
Call your lawyer.
King, he did not become. Police is entering police. When I was shouting, people say, I was talking rubbish.
Let's go.
Leave me alone. Where am I even going? Let me know if you. Okay, Adam will still accept
we are going to the station, right?
I'm going to Adam.
Yeah, and we'll go together.
Let's go to the station now. All of you are leaving. Let me join you.
Don't worry, my son. I will take care of it, okay?
Welcome, my princess.
Thank you.
Welcome, my princess.
Thank you, ma.
Welcome.
Ndudi, I came to let you know that you can resume work at the palace tomorrow.
I don't want to work in the palace anymore.
Yes. My son will no longer work at the palace. I will not allow that. Not at all.
Ndudi, can I see you for a minute? Please?
What will be, oh. No matter the circumstances surrounding the destiny of a man. What will be, what will be, oh. So why are you fighting your fellow man? Done nothing to you. Onye chukwu goziri na gozigone. Onye chukwu buniri no bunigone.
Ndudi, I came to personally apologize to you for what happened. Please forgive me.
Princess, you of all people should.
You cannot stop a moving train. You cannot stop a river from flowing. Destiny can only be delayed, and destiny can never be changed.
That fool has been released. They've released him, he's out. He should have rotted in jail. Why did he come out now? Why?
Dixon, Biko Mom, you have to calm down. Oh? Do not get yourself worked up. It's no good. You know?
Well, what do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Only when I thought that the battle is over, he came out.
It doesn't make any change. Huh?
Why it does? It does. Because as long as Ndude is free, working freely, my chances of winning the princess is slim. I am almost close getting the princess. Mama, I am going to kill him. Huh? This time around is for real. I am going to kill him myself. Mama Tobuya.
Dixon, no, Dick. Yeah, Dick. Dixon, listen to me.
Your son, Ndude, will not marry the princess, whether you like it or not. You think we don't understand the scheming? He is a schemer. That is why he has been trying by every means necessary to pull the princess to himself. But it will not work. It has never worked. But it will not work here.
Yes. Liar! Huh? Liar! The princess is never in love with your son.
Hey! Look at them.
He's my son. She loves.
Who in this village does not understand the relationship between my son Dixon and the princess? Tell me who in this village, except the person is born yesterday. But as long as the person is still living here in this village, everybody understands their relationship. So sit down where you are. Sit down.
They have never been dating. They are not dating. Huh? They are not dating.
Shut up, let me hear you.
Look at him.
Your son, Ndude, shut up, let me tell you something. Your son, Ndude, is more or less like a chaplain. Somebody who takes care of the princess. Wherever the princess moves, he follows suit. While the princess is in safe hand, he's ready for my son. That is what it means. A chaplain is equivalent to a chameleon. That's who your son is, Ndude. But we are all watching. Nothing is going to happen. He is just doing his duty. A good servant, prepared to do his job for my son to do the main thing.
And that is when the princess fell in love with my son, handsome boy. You know the boy now.
Excuse me. Obaka. Obaka. Eminike. Is this what all these bickerings and stupid show of shame by the two of you is all about?
No.
Excuse me, I'm speaking.
You don't want my son
to quiet?
Their son to marry the lady.
Eminike, don't interrupt me. I'm ashamed of the two of you. The princess is here with us. She will be allowed to choose who she will marry. And all this nonsense has to stop. You don't bring your stupidity into this council. You don't wash your dirtiness in public.
You are saying as if you don't and you are not aware. You are in this palace. She has already chosen my son. That is what don't say what. Don't say what. Don't say what. Come on.
Chi, I seriously hope you do not regret this in the future. Dixon is not the one for you. Ndude is.
Rita, I have known Dixon all my life. Dixon and I have come a long way. Moreover, he's a nice person.
And who is talking about being nice here? We're talking about a lifetime baby girl. Listen, the question should be, is he good for husband? Hello?
Rita, you don't like Dixon at all. You seem not to like anything about him. Is there something I need to know?
How? I don't like Dixon. No way, baby girl. I like everybody. Listen, I'm only trying to be a friend. That's all. Listen, at the end of the day, you have the final say. So, go ahead and take your decision. I was just trying to be a good friend to you.
My father told me about the elder's decision. What do you think? What are you going to do?
I'm going through a lot right now. This is hard for me. It is hard for me. It's so tough.
My princess, what is tough? You know how much I love you. You are the only woman in my life, my princess. Come on. But my princess, I will give anything for you. Anything. Please.
Pick your call.
My princess, this call is not important to me right now. You are the most important in my life now. My princess, please. Please marry me. Please. Please, my princess.
This is hard for me. This is so hard for me.
My princess?
My fellow elders, you all know why we are here.
Oh, yes. You know.
Princess, Ndori here and Dixon have been having problems in this kingdom because of you. The two elders here have been having troubles. Ndori said you are in love with him. Dixon here said you are in love with him. We want you to help us to end this problem in this kingdom. We want to find out, who are you in love with? among these two.
Why are you asking her? Are you not seeing how united they are? They are united closely.
Allow.
Is a prospective chief bridesmaid.
Allow her to answer. Allow her to answer.
Why will you be asking some questions when you think how to see them? Allow her.
Brother. Officer, please, that's the criminal. That's the criminal that took my car. Hey, Dixon, that's him.
Huh? Dixon. No, I'm not a criminal.
Dixon. Mr. Man, I'm under arrest because anything you say or do here with you got off law.
He's my son.
You think I will not find you?
He's my son. He's my son. What did you say he did? He's a CEO, Dixon and Dixon Enterprises. He cannot sell cars. It's his boss that sells cars.
Oga, your son here is my mechanic in the city. Ordinary mechanic. I gave him my car to service and he ran away with it. Look at him here. Criminal!
Dixon. Dixon, what? Dixon, look at what you did to me. What did I do to you?
You people are wasting my time here.
What do you mean?
Arrest this man!
Do you know what they did to me? I told you all these things. I look at where you landed, and I told you I married a new wife. Dixon, what did I do to you?
I will explain.
Dixon, is this true?
Oh, my princess.
I told you. I warned you about this guy. This guy is nothing but an absolute fraud. Yes, that's what you are. A common crook.
Me crook?
Shame on you, Dixon.
Look at you. Look at you. You've been asking me out and I refused.
Me?
When you knew that I was dating the princess.
Oh my God.
When you knew that I wanted to marry the princess. Baby, ballroom tea. Baby, ballroom coffee. You can eat more. Dixon drink. Dixon honey. You know, I tell him. You think I don't know what you're doing. You are doing.
Arrest this man!
Don't give me my time.
Guys, let's go. Arrest. Go. We can
set Princess, listen to me. This guy is a bloody liar. Do not listen to him. He's trying to set me up right now. You know you are like a sister to me. I can never intentionally want to hurt you. I'm very sorry. I didn't mean it that way. I was only trying to protect you, honest to God. Please, don't believe him. He's trying to scatter our relationship. Please.
Before you fight, make sure you fight it to the end. Before you dance, make sure your shoes are strong enough. Cause the fight of destiny is not an easy battle. Destiny can only be delayed, and destiny can never be changed. No matter the fight, no matter the challenges, it will be. What will be, will be. No matter the circumstances surrounding the destiny of a man, what will be, will be. What will be, will be. So why are you fighting your fellow man? Done nothing to you. Onye chukwu goziri, no gozigone. Onye chukwu buniri, no bunigone. You cannot stop a moving train. You cannot stop the river from flowing. Destiny can only be delayed, and destiny can never be changed. Before you fight, make sure you fight to the end. Before you dance, make sure your shoes are strong enough. Cause the fight of destiny is not an easy battle. Destiny can only be delayed, and destiny can never be changed. No matter the fight, no matter the challenges, it will be. What will be, will be. No matter the circumstances surrounding the destiny of a man, what will be, will be. What will be, will be. So why are you fighting your fellow man, done nothing to you. Onye chukwu goziri na gozigonu, onye chukwu bugiri no bunigonu. You cannot stop a moving train, you cannot stop a river from flowing. Destiny can only be